Alright, I have no idea if this is a terrible test or not, or if, this is a valid test. I took those, some rockers off. One of these had a clogged oil port. It was this one right here. It was totally clogged. It wasn't, as far as I know at least, wasn't letting any oil through. I blew it out with compressed air and really brushed and cleaned it out, and eventually broke through it and got it kind of cleaned out there, but it's still kind of gunky around it. But I wanted to show you really quick how these look. This one had oil going through it, as to my knowledge again, the entire time, whereas this one did not. And I wanted to see if these need to be, or if this needs to be replaced at this point. So just go ahead and listen, as well as I'll have some photos in there. But this is the rocker that had gotten lubrication. Very smooth, has full range of motion, no hitching or anything weird. This is the other one. Okay, so when I actually put pressure on it, same as the other one, you can hear it kind of hitching. It does not have the full range of motion that the other one has. Once you get to a point, you have to really push on it to get it to hitch, and it kind of gives that ticking sound. And I'm wondering if that's maybe where my knocking is coming from that I'm hearing. Because again, this one, you can put all the pressure you want on it, and it's going to keep on going smooth. But this one, if you really give it any pressure at all, it hangs up on itself, gets on in there. So anyway,